Hi, Penis, mate. Hello. Don't attack me. Stop it. My sister just flushed the toilet. This lighting is disgusting. I'm moving my room. With moving my room, I would have to most likely switch TVs with my sister. Let's just explain. This is going to be a quick explanation, so if you want to skip to me moving my room, here's the minutes. So basically I want to put my bed in my closet. Stupid, I know, but I want to do it. And it is currently 11:27. It's not that late. Obviously when I'm done with this, it will be much later. I don't have school tomorrow, like school. It is so hot. The heater is coming. Okay, so basically I want to put my bed in my closet, and my TV mount is a good TV mount, but my TV is kind of old and heavy. This is currently my TV. 52 inches. Pumbaa has, wait, no, it's not 52, it's 49. I measured it actually. My mom said it was 52, but I measured it was 49. This way. So I measured Pumbaa's and it's 39, so it's 10 less inches. I don't really care that much. I need to make sure I like my bed in my closet before I make a major change, because it's not easy to move a TV that's really heavy and mount it. And then the other TV isn't that heavy, but still mounting a TV. Now I'm moving my bed to see if I like it in my closet, and then we will go from there. At least tonight I just will put my bed in my closet, and if I'm still awake enough, I'm currently drinking coffee, but if I'm still awake enough, I will put some lights in there. Now I have to do all this. I just found my wallet. I've been looking for this for months. It's just been sitting in my drawer. I think it's like $35 or something. So I pretty much cleared the top. I didn't record any of it because it was really hard. Like, I'm so frustrated. And I'm sweating. I need to turn the fan off. So I'm gonna take these two boxes down, and this is the current state of my room. It's kind of frustrating because I have to move my bed into here, and there's stuff in the way, so let's just look at my room at the moment. Okay, so I had to close my door because I needed more room and I just didn't want to make a bunch of noise. And then here's, I have my address probably right there. Then just a bunch of clothes and, you know. I know this wasn't going to be easy, but I do need to throw most of it away. I have this. It's bags, black bags, for trash. I'm giving myself until 2:30 today, and I'm going to start by moving my bed into there just to get that over with, and then organize my bed and all that. And then tomorrow I'll probably do the finishing touches. Okay, we're starting. I'm gonna move my nightstand, and I think I have to move my dresser. I don't want to. That hurt. I'm out of breath. This is... I don't even know what to say to myself right now. You're probably screaming. I don't know. I'm on the verge of tears. This is so embarrassing. It doesn't turn all the way because there's not enough room. And I measured it and it fits. It's just not turning. And there's probably a much more logical way of doing it. But it looks like I'm sleeping on the couch. I found the right one. This is the right size. Thank God. I've gotten 3 screws off. One of them's being a little stubborn, and it was also arms day, so I'm holding it up like this. My arms are hurting, but as long as I get this headboard off, I can get it in there. I have never been so relieved. I finally got it in. I'm so glad that my family keeps everything. I somehow have to turn this, but that's not going to be as hard as trying to get something that doesn't fit in there. So I'm going to turn that, put it in, put my mattress back, and I'm going to bed. I didn't measure the mattress part of it. It doesn't fit. This doesn't fit. So, as you know, this didn't fit. So I have to put everything back. Puma's gonna help me move it. I'm not gonna record it because I need to move the camera out of the way. But, you know, after 2 hours trying to get that bed into there and finally getting the headboard off, it doesn't fit. So I put my closet back and my bed. This is a few hours later. I haven't been doing this whole time, but I just put my clothes in here. I am gonna show me going through all my stuff, and I'm also taking down all my tapestries that are on my ceiling, just because I'm over it and it just makes my room feel smaller and not as like clean. I've been watching TikToks of like simple rooms, and I'm just not a fan of this anymore, so I'm taking...
Cut it.
Hello! I put my pride flag here, but it's been hours. I was watching 911 with my mom. This video is just scattered. But anyways, so I took all of my tapestries off of my ceiling, and then I'm gonna make my bed so I can give you guys an overview of my room. Besides this table, we hate the table, but okay, it is now Monday night. A few days later, I got these cube things in the mail today. Wiped down, obviously it still smells like Lysol. And I'm gonna build them right now. Hopefully I can. I'm gonna stay up a little later tonight. We have school tomorrow, but because my parents left and I'm paranoid, so I'm just gonna stay awake. So I'm gonna build this to keep myself awake, and hopefully I can. after so many weeks. I think it took like 2-3 weeks to finish this when I started it. When I finished it, when I got everything in the mail. I really didn't get that much. I got a new duvet and I got a cube like nightstand thing. And I took off all my tapestries. And I love how my room looks right now. It was really upsetting when I realized I didn't measure properly. But I mean, shit happens. Oh well. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna name this. We'll find out when this is up. I don't know. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.